So, you've got a Visa debit gift card and dreams of that new Xbox game. But can you actually make it work? First things first, power on your Xbox and head over to the Microsoft Store. You can find it on the home screen or within your installed apps. Now, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile picture in the top left corner, then selecting My Microsoft Account or Settings. Look for Payment and Billing or something similar, and then select Add Payment Method. This is where you'll enter your Visa debit gift card details. Treat the gift card like a regular credit or debit card. Enter the card number, expiration date, and CVV code exactly as they appear on the card. Here's where things can get tricky. Xbox often requires an address verification. Since gift cards aren't linked to a specific address, you might encounter an error. To bypass this, try registering your gift card online. Most Visa debit gift cards have a website printed on the back where you can register it with your name and a billing address. Use your own address for this. After registering it, make sure the name and address match the information you provided on your Microsoft account. Once registered, go back to your Xbox and re-enter the card details using the same name and address you provided during registration. Then try making your purchase. Keep in mind some gift cards are restricted to online purchases only, or even specific retailers. Check the fine print. If all goes well, you should be able to redeem your game or subscription. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more Xbox tips and tricks. Happy gaming!